Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Frances. I make beauty, lifestyle and a whole lot of other videos that you'll definitely be interested in. So please do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button below and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, guys, so my birthday is actually coming in less than 2 weeks from today, the day I'm filming this video, and I actually needed a birthday present. My brother helped me get one, or rather he just gave me money and told me to do what I want to do with it, and I went ahead to get makeup products. You can't believe it, right? I'm a makeup junkie. I like getting new stuff, trying out new things. So I got the products from an Instagram vendor. This is it. I have not opened it yet. I just wanted to open it while I am filming this video. So if you want to see what I got and why I got them, kindly stay tuned. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I'll leave the name of the Instagram vendor I got the products from. Her name is Too Posh Beauty. I'll leave the name on the screen and also in the description box. I'm going to open it. So guys, the first thing I got is this Cetaphil moisturized lotion. Yes, it was actually bigger than what I saw on Instagram. So it's looking so small. Doesn't even have any scent. So this is a moisturizer, and I have an oily skin and I usually avoid anything oily when I'm doing my makeup, but then people, YouTubers or makeup artists, say that it's good to moisturize your skin no matter the skin type, and it doesn't really cause oil to break out. It's just for your skin to be healthy, and also that's why I got this one to test it goodie, to test it first to see if it is actually going to work for me or not. So the first thing I got is Cetaphil moisturizer. The next thing I got is this Airspun loose face powder. Guys, honestly, I don't know, it looks a little bigger than what I was thinking it was. I was thinking it was going to be one small thing, but it looks a little bigger. So those that know or that have stayed with me on this channel for a while know that I don't have a very good setting powder, and what I usually use is Johnson's baby powder, and I know it's not the best, but then I decided that I was going to get something better. I wanted to get the RCMA powder, but it was quite expensive, but this one is cheaper, so I now had to go for the one that my hand reached. So this is what I got, a setting powder, and I know that it's for all skin types, all skin colors actually, whether you're fair or you're dark, it is very good for you. So that was why I got it. So this is the second thing I got. The next one I got was this green tea makeup spray. Why I actually got it, to be very honest with you, is because it's cheap. That's just the truth. I got it because it's cheap, and then I've seen big YouTubers use it, big makeup YouTubers stroke makeup artists. I've seen them use it, and I'm like, why would I be using something that is 3,000, 4,000 when big YouTubers are using this and it's working for them? So I'm like, thank you, I will get it, and that was why I got it. I'm going to test it and see how it works. If it works for me, fine. If it doesn't work for me, I'm not getting another one. I got it for, I think, 1,350. She was on promo, so it's actually 1,500, but I got it for 1,350. Next, I got this Mabrouk eyeliner. Let me open it so that you guys will see. It actually comes in this shiny pack, so who gets impatient while opening a package? I don't like opening the package for long. I like it to just come out. So this is the Mabrouk eyeliner. I don't know if it's clear enough. Okay, so this is what it looks like, Mabrouk eyeliner. And why I got it was actually because of and it's very slim. It's very slim. Okay, actually why I got it was because of a makeup artist I saw on Instagram. She was reviewing it and saying that it is actually very good and it dries matte. It doesn't dry and leave those shines that you see on an eyeliner normally. So this was what she reviewed and I was like, okay, I'm going to get it. It's quite pricey depending on your budget. Brow tint from Beauty Line by Didi. So this is how it comes. I got it in the shade Taupe. I don't know if that is the pronunciation, Taupe or Tupe, I don't know, but this is how it comes. So this is Beauty Line by Didi, just for brow tinting and all. The next thing I got was the classic lip stain. The truth is, I got these two colors, right? But this is not what I ordered. This particular one, I don't know what I'm using this kind of purple to do. Like, I don't know. What is this? God, who wears this thing? I did not order this thing. What I ordered was a dark purple. I don't know, maybe I should have called it burgundy, but it was a dark purple I ordered. But this was what came, and I will still have to go back and tell them, okay, this is not what I ordered. But for this one, this is what I ordered. I ordered a brown lip stain, a dark brown lip stain, and because I usually use my darker foundation for this, for lining, and I use pencil, but I said, okay, I can get a lip stain, and I know that Classic is a good company. So I said, last but not the least thing I got is Milk of Magnesia. Yes, so I know you guys are going to come for me, that's why I left it for the last. This is actually how it looks. So but before I jump into it, look at this Marbrook liner that I drew on my skin. It dries so matte, unlike normal liners that just dry shiny. So as I was saying before I went back to what I drew on my skin, I got this Milk of Magnesia because I actually have an oily skin, as you know, and I don't really rub or apply makeup every time, and my face begins to get oily after 4 to 5 hours of makeup application. So I got the Milk of Magnesia because I know that I will need it maybe for wedding or for long wear, and it doesn't happen every time. I don't go for wedding every time, so it's just once in a red moon that I'm going to use this Milk of Magnesia. If you guys know and know me well, you know that I use Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and I have that one already. It's still remaining, so I use that too. But if I want long wear and I want my face to be matte all day, then I'll use Milk of Magnesia. And please do not use Milk of Magnesia every time, because you are going to start breaking out. The last time I used Milk of Magnesia was, I don't even know, because the last time I applied makeup was way before October. So I can't even remember the last time I used Milk of Magnesia on my face. So guys, these are all the things I got. It looks small, but it's very expensive. So if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up. If you want to know basic products that you need to get as a beginner, please don't be overwhelmed by all these things I got. Just look at this video, okay? I will link it up for you guys to see. And if you have further questions or arguments concerning this Milk of Magnesia, because I know that I'm shaking tables by getting Milk of Magnesia, if you have further questions and have anything to say, it's welcome. You are all welcome. Just leave it in the comment. Let's discuss. We are one family here, okay? If you have things that you think I need to know that will make me to get more of this, please do leave it in the comment section, okay? And also lastly, please help me thank my brother. My brother sponsored this makeup product, and my sister sponsored my facial treatment, all for my birthday package. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one, okay?